We are told that a car sits on an entrance ramp at rest going onto a freeway, and it accelerates with a constant acceleration in a straight line up to a final speed of 20 meters per second or 45 miles an hour. We are told that this happens over a distance of 120 meters. Since we have distance, initial, and final velocity, we want to use the velocity as a function of distance equation, which is the final velocity squared is equal to the initial velocity squared plus 2a times the change in x, so x final minus x initial. In our case, the final velocity is 20 squared. Our initial velocity is 0, so we can get rid of that term.